Hey, what's up guys, Vic Christoph here with PhoneArena, and finally we have the OnePlus 7 Pro, and it's time to test its video recording capabilities. Recording 4K 30 video with my buddy Peter, so follow me around. Let's check out the video stabilization first. 4K 30, let's go. Now let's run, let's go quicker. Okay, and let's stop here, and what we'll do next is just pan around so you can see how the phone adjusts to different lighting conditions, right against the sun, how it adjusts to the different exposures. Move it slowly down. Okay guys, and next up I'll step out of the frame so we can test the continuous autofocus functionality, see if the phone is able to focus on my hand, and then on the background, how quickly does it do it? Let me know in the comments. I cannot see it right now, so let's try it quicker. And focus on my hand, the background. Okay guys, next up we can also tap on that 1x button and switch to a 3x telephoto camera, so let's do that. We have a 1x option and a 3x option in terms of zooming, and you can also use the pinch to zoom action to go to all the way up to using digital zoom up to 10x. So that is the maximum level of digital zoom that you get on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's zoom back out to the regular viewing distance for 1x. And that's guys a quick test of the video camera on the new OnePlus 7 Pro. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.